Hi, Miss Deza Mazo. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello, I am Deza Mazo. I'm 37 years old. I'm living in Cardona, Rizal. I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have kids. The first is 16, the second is 8, the third is 6 years old, and my youngest kid is 2 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings, and I am the fifth from the 6 of us.
Tell me about your educational background.
I studied caregiving and Pilgrim Alternative Learning Skill in 2014, and I also studied Bachelor of Science in Nursing from 2004 to 2008. But since my parents didn't, I was like not pursue it because my parents was unable to support my studies. So I took a job when I was like 18 years old.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, I have no work experience abroad, but I was still currently working as a caregiver until now.
How would you describe yourself?
I can describe myself as enthusiastic, positive person, hardworking, dependable, and also trustworthy. And I can do and adjust on my environment.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, I have no tattoo.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, I have no surgery.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad because I want to support my family and also provide them.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I was not scared of dog and cats, but unless it was a big or huge animal.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
Maybe I can sing them a song like Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer that they should hire me because I was diligent, dependable, trustworthy, and also hardworking. And I say thank you.